Good morning, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Mocha Eats TV. I'm bringing back the first video, I should say second video, of July 1st. And happy July 1st, everybody. July has come so fast. I don't know about you guys, but I don't know. It seems like the year is flying by. But anyway, okay, family, I'm boiling some eggs. I'm going to have a boiled egg, a slice of toast, an apple, and yes, you see it, family, my bacon, and some Sunny Delight. So the bacon is already in the microwave. As you see, my eggs are already boiling. So we're going to get this party started. I'm going to go ahead and butter my bread and toast it and jelly it up with some strawberry jelly. And that's going to be that, family. Stay tuned. All right, family, here is the completed breakfast. And I hope that you have enjoyed my content thus far. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, thumbs up my video, and I will see you in the next one. You have a wonderful day.